And to our other top story tonight, the death toll has now risen to 5 in the most destructive wildfires in Los Angeles history.
Yeah, and tonight hundreds of thousands of people have been evacuated, and in the coming hours there may be even more evacuations underway. Our Grace Gomez joins us now with the latest on these devastating fires. Grace.
Yeah, good evening, guys. Those evacuations are due to the strong winds, which are expected to remain overnight, causing the fires like this one to continue spreading across Southern California. Now, firefighters have arrived from other states to assist as a major disaster declaration was made by President Biden earlier today.
A new fire burning tonight in the Hollywood Hills. It's the latest challenge authorities face as other 3 wildfires continue ravaging through Los Angeles, Pasadena, and San Fernando Valley.
These are hurricane force winds that are combined with extremely dry drought conditions. To provide context, at 10:20 a.m. yesterday, the Palisades fire was at 10 acres. 12 minutes later, it was at 200 acres.
Charred cars, building structures, and businesses burned to the ground were seen in several neighborhoods. The rapid moving flames forcing 100,000 people to evacuate their homes, flooding shelters. Meanwhile, the Los Angeles Fire Department continues working against the clock to try to contain the flames.
We augmented our staffing levels and strategically pre-deployed our additional resources. In addition, we have recalled off-duty LEFD firefighters to augment our response across the entire city.
Several thousands of people are without power due to both equipment damage and utility companies shutting off electricity to prevent down wires from sparking more fires. The high demand for water making fire hydrants run dry.
It's very common in a brush fire in a city when you have that big of a fire with that many resources that we're going to tax our water supply and our water system.
Authorities adding the historic fire conditions along with the strong and erratic winds have ignited the fires, which currently are impacting several thousands of acres. President Biden in California for a pre-planned trip said he would sign a federal emergency declaration requested by California's Governor Gavin Newsom, providing additional resources.
We're prepared to do anything and everything as long as it takes to contain these fires and help reconstruct and make sure we get back to normal. It's going to be a hell of a long way.
And we've just learned that New Jersey Red Cross volunteers will be heading to Southern California tomorrow to assist in the recovery efforts.
All right. I mean, just chilling video. Yeah. Thank you so much, Grace.